Hi, everybody. It's CJ Miller. I'm in my apartment in Shreveport, Louisiana. Across the Red River is beautiful Bossier City, Louisiana. Come check us out on your vacations. Yeah, always find something for you to do. I'm going to play around with my keyboard a little bit. So, just to kill some time. Here we go. I don't know. Let's see. I didn't really like that voice. I'm trying to just play around. It's a little bit softer. Let's see, whatever. We also got some rhythm or something. Yeah. Let me find a good voice. Obviously, if you're going to play keyboards, you need lessons, and I'm not taking any lessons. So, let's see what a reed horn sounds like on this thing. All right. It really only has 254 voices. So most of them are just variations of each other. So okay, let's see. Rhythm. I don't know how many rhythms. I don't know. Uh, see. Some time ago, I tried to clean this thing off, and I used an alcohol pad, and in doing so, I wiped away most of the numbers on this thing. But we're gonna try. I don't know, to see what's up. I think it's the same thing I was just listening to. Let's see pop new age, what that is about. Whatever, I'm not really feeling that one. That was that was kind of dreadful. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, no. uh, you know what? Uh, I really should have kept the manual. Uh, I have no idea. It's been years. I still have no idea what this thing can do. I'm thinking of buying another one just so I can have the manual that comes with it. Anyway, uh, come see us in Shreveport, Bossier. There are people who play instruments way better than I do, and you will get, at the very least, some musical entertainment. I know you're going to find some wonderful, delicious food here, lots of festivals. And that is, after all, what my YouTube channel is about, is sharing how wonderful the Shreveport, Bossier, Northwest Louisiana area is. Goodbye. God bless. Love and light.